Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix a TikTok photo swipe not working. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So the first thing that we want to do here is we want to make sure that our memory, our space is actually clear on TikTok. So here, let's go ahead and go to TikTok, and we want to go to our profile, which is located at the bottom right. Now from here, you need to click on the three bar icon that you see at the top right. And here you want to go to settings and privacy. Now in here, you want to scroll down a bit until you see the section that says cache and cellular. In this case, let's go ahead and click on free up space. Now from here, you have the option to see your cache, your downloads, and drafts. So currently, my cache is around 1.3 gigabyte or 1300 MB. So what we need to do here is we want to clear our cache. Just click on clear, and from here just click on clear. Now most of the times this actually solves the issue wherein you'll be able to use the photo swipe function on TikTok. Now from here, just go ahead and check if that solves your issue. Now, but if that doesn't solve your issue, then the next thing and the best thing that we could do here is just basically reinstall TikTok. Now, to easily uninstall TikTok, just press and hold on your TikTok application here. Go to app info, and from here you have the option to uninstall. So alternatively, the easier way is just hold and press on it, and immediately you'll be able to see the uninstall function there. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.